Dustin heard some strange noises.
Cody, man, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. What the heck?
What the heck, man? Did you hear that? Ow. Did you hear that?
I'll make you rap music. Stupid giraffe.
Mother.
You know what? I'll leave in this room. It's too crowded in here.
Again. Oh, I'm sucking on eggs.
Did you hear that?
I'm looking in the mirror. Oh. Maybe I can go see what it is.
I agree with you. Come on.
On you big old
All right.
Call the lawyer and tell them about me. You want to play off each other?
I am the noise maker.
Oh, yeah?
I'm freaking glued to the window. Nom nom nom.
That stupid giraffe. Oh, my hair is so messy.
Look at my first finger.
Who the heck turned out the lights?
Wasn't me.
You know what? You guys suck.
I have $500,000 over here for something called.
I'm taking this to the trash. It's broken.
Famous fetish backing up.
Twinkle, twinkle.
Monster. All I wanted was some candy.
What did you do with the body? Where did you hide her? I know you did it. Don't you lie to me. Stop giving me the lies. Oh.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, yeah. I want some couple diamonds. Me too. Be a texter. Texter, be a texter. Forget you.
That Ryan took them to the dump. What the heck?
Look what I found in junk. This is the better way of Justin Bieber. Baby, 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 oh, what a baby, 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 oh, what, baby. Hello.
I am the Taco Bell dog.
Oh, my
Taco powers.
Fan. Oh my gosh. Hi. Hey, where you going? Come back. Hey, don't leave me. Huh? Don't leave me like that. Huh? Stop rotating. Oh my God, I need to leave.
At my giant guitar size.
Winning. I'm so mad. Hey, Cody, can I paint your nails? What color? I think clear. Let's go. Yeah.
I am the undisputed champion of porn. Oh crap.
I just bought these shoes at Walmart for $11.
No way.
Wait,
Let's go.
What are you doing?
Get me out of your fried chicken. I'm black. I'm a blind robber.
That's Dustin. Hey, what's up? I'm Cody, and I hate bunnies.
Alright. Ryan, video.
What?
Say hi, it's the ending.
Hi.
That was Ryan.
And I'm Wendy.
Wait. Before we go off, we need to look at Ryan's epic shirt. Cookie Monster. Nom, nom, nom. Forget you. Nom 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 nom.
Nom nom.
Alright, subscribe to me. Bye.